We got a lot of different stuff that we have to take to Worlds. And we're not really sure how we're gonna get Josh on a plane because he's such a mess. So we built a box that you can put under the plane for Josh to go in, and we're gonna test to see if he fits in.
Yeah.
It's the moment of truth.
It's the moment you've all been waiting for.
Just sit like you sit in desks at school, Josh.
Oh, he fits!
Wait.
Guys, pick him up! Pick him up! Pick him up! Pick up the box!
Yeah, pick up the box.
No.
Oh no!
Horace, yes!
Does it want the spray?
Yes!
It's so strong.
What the hell?
Wait, can we put the lid on?
Strongest box.
Oh, it's solid.
I can't.
Got the crate. It's a bit of a tight fit.
Very much of a tight fit, but that's good, I guess.
Yeah. You just kind of gotta push it down a bit. Whoa.
Ta-da!
Timon, have you seen the robot lately?
No.
Heading onto the plane. We're going to St. Louis.
We made it!
This is my mom. Jing Ho.
Oh no, I don't want to be in the movie.
That was what, the funnel cakes? Oh.
We went to 2054's
2056.
2056, bro.
2056 OP Robotics FRC pit, and we cut this wooden dowel.
And where do we get the wooden dowel from?
And we got this wooden dowel from a coat hanger in our hotel room. Shout out to Peter Sauer.
Wait,
Right here.
Oh yeah,
We
so
just
this is
we just took that off right there.
yeah, and it's gonna go right across the
so I pick up when it's vertical.
bottom of here, and we're gonna run into the beacon with that and push the button.
And get 20
We're
points
gonna
and win.
drill it with these drill bits that I took from my school team.
Homestead.
Homestead
Yeah,
670. Thanks, guys.
Even just spinning. I should film us spinning.
Hello, don't break anything. We'll try not
Yeah,
to.
we won't.
Charge. I'm not paying.
Josh will pay. So this is a place we didn't expect to find ourselves at when at Worlds. We're at a house.
We have a field.
Yeah, this is weird.
Half of one.
There's a mountain right there. There's a field behind me.
Cubic meters.
You guys ready?
Cubic meters.
Right? Yeah. Yeah, we're all set.
Ready, set, go.
That was really close.
Hey. Nice.
15 seconds.
You guys could have got
Oh, we got it. Nice.
What's the time? How many seconds?
22 seconds.
22?
Oh yes.
Come on.
25.
Hey.
Yes.
Oh, that does.
28 seconds.
Very solid.
Hey. Hey! Woo!
Alright, number one seed in the Franklin division, Team 8375, Vulcan Robotics!
Thank you.
Are you ready to make your choice?
Of course.
Team 8375, Vulcan Robotics, what is your first choice?
Team 8375 graciously invites Team 7013 Hotwired to join our alliance. Is this a tradition?
Cheers,
yeah. Nice.
Alright, our number one seed in the Alliance, what is your second choice?
Teams 8375 and 7013 graciously invite Team 3595 Schrodinger's Hat to join our alliance.
Team 3595 Schrodinger's Hat graciously accepts.
Congratulations, that rounds out our number one Alliance. Back to you, Dave.
Hey!
I don't understand that.
I don't understand either.
Only you do it, driver.
In match one, like 50 seconds into the game, not even a full minute, like 50 or 55 seconds, all the cubes had already disappeared from the field. And we were really scared because of this. Because like we barely managed to do 2 cycles in the high goal. And we were looking around the field trying to score more because we didn't want to just end with 10. We wanted to have at least 12, you know, to be safe. So we started picking up balls and we went up and tried to score balls. I think we went up, or maybe we were just picking them up on the floor. But the problem with our robot is the hopper is open on one side, which is fine if you're only picking up cubes. But if you try and pick up balls, then when you're driving around, they roll out the open side of the hopper. Yeah. So we knew this was going to happen before Worlds, but we didn't know the cube starving was going to be that bad and that quick. So we sort of just ignored it and we said, you know, we'll just focus on cubes and try and outcycle the other teams before they all disappear, and then we won't have to worry about balls. And if you look at the other teams' designs, you know, they all had vertical hoppers, or like Cubics had one of those tilted hoppers. So the balls are sort of captive, you know, everything's held in by gravity. Whereas ours, everything sort of just sits on top and can slide around. So we saw this in match one, and even though we managed to win, it felt way too close, and we thought, okay, in match two, you know, if we're just a little bit slower, we might have to score balls in order to win. and if we don't, if we only try and pick up cubes like we did in match 1, then we might end up just getting outcycled and beat, and then be stuck trying to get balls, and then they all roll out, same thing happens. So we did something really dumb, which was modifying our robot, doing an untested modification to our robot right before a playoff match, like in the World Finals. I don't know what we were thinking, but we took an axle, like one of those Tetrix axles, and we duct taped it to the side of our robot right outside the hopper. And that was supposed to prevent the balls from rolling out. And then we put our robot on the field, you know, set up everything just like normal. We also had tape on our wheels because we were having turning issues. So we put electrical tape on our wheels to give us less scrub force when we were turning. And it did help a lot, but it also somehow changed our center of rotation for where we were turning around, or it was making us drift when we turned in some weird ways. We're still not sure how that happened, but when we ran our autonomous in finals match 2, it drifted a lot when we were doing our turns, and so it wasn't quite aligned right to press the button, and we think it recognized the right color, but it was just out of alignment, so we pushed the wrong button. So that lost us 40 points right there, basically. And then going into tele-op, we had this stupid axle taped onto our robot, and we picked up too many debris, and we were trying to dump them out of our hopper, so we had to raise up the lift, then dump them out. One of them got stuck on top of the axle, like a ball. The axle went through the holes in the ball, and so that was stuck on there. And we had a lot of trouble clearing debris out of the way of our mountain. And we were really shook, like our whole drive team. We had no idea what to do. We hadn't been in this kind of situation before. And we kind of panicked. And we started driving really poorly, making bad decisions, rushing on the parts that we couldn't rush on. And I think we only ended up with 4 or 5 debris total in the high goal. And that cost us the match. In match 3, we saw, like, okay, obviously this axle thing was a really dumb idea. We took it off immediately, but it was kind of too late. We got lucky in match 1 with Bobot's not getting the hang. And then in match 3, Bobot's autonomous worked, which, you know, good for them. And they got the hang. They got 15 in the mid. Cubics got a bunch in the high. They played really, really well in match 3. And we just didn't keep up.
Yeah, what if we get rescinded for losing?
Wait, if you only take winners here, we should all leave.
The horse is gonna get rescinded.
Oh God!
They're the only one that applies to.
Wait, so which college do I choose?
Columbia.
Screw you, John.
For all our viewers.
Yeah, I
We
actually
finally recovered. It's been a few hours.
go to what I couldn't get. Dude.
But now we.
Alton got some sleep, which really helped.
I had a bunch of really bad dreams.
Oh,
about
right,
losing.
because I mean.
Oh, actually, so event finalist is a lot better than division finalist.
Really? City Museum. Hey, St. Louis playground for adults. We don't actually know.
I'm an adult.
We don't actually know what's going on here, but we're about to find out.
Yeah, so right now we're at the St. Louis Arch. Alton, what do you think of the arch?
I really don't get the point.